Hey everyone, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather. We had a few flurries around town today and some light snow out on the Chena Hot Springs Road, and that's since gone, but we may see a rerun of that happening by tomorrow night into Friday. More about that later on. You can tell it's fall because already the sunflowers are taking a dive. This one was Laurie McCarter's sunflower. Look how tall that thing is. That's a big one, a big sunflower. And as always, if you have a photograph that you want to share, by all means send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Your numbers look like this. Today's high, only 39 degrees. While the low last night was 33. The record high, a very warm 72 degrees in 1940, but in contrast, 1992, the overnight low 7 degrees, single digits. Sunrise and sunset about 12 hours and 12 minutes. That's a loss of 6 minutes from yesterday. The satellite and radar showing again over southeast Alaska areas of rain moving across the area, pockets of moisture there, a little area of low pressure. And we're keeping our eye on to the west because a new system is moving ashore onto the west coast right now as we speak. It's expected to work its way across the interior, bringing with it some pretty healthy moisture amounts, winds, and even some snow at the higher elevations above 3,000 feet. Some pretty heavy snow too, possibly. We'll talk to you about that in just a little bit. Here's our map across the states today, or state I should say. Ketchikan, some showers and 47 degrees. Juneau, cloudy and 50. Partly cloudy skies at Anchorage, a little cooler than it was yesterday, 49 degrees, 49 also at Kodiak. Cloudy skies along the Aleutian chain, up and down the west coast, temperatures in the upper 30s for Bethel and Nome. While Barrow checking in again with another 28-degree reading for their high, and cloudy skies at Fort Yukon, 34 degrees. Lower 48 weather, well, we're looking at pretty nice weather over the Pacific Northwest, right around 70-degree mark in Seattle, 75 at San Francisco. Still not quite 100-degree readings for Las Vegas and Phoenix. Another hot day in Dallas. Not too bad in Denver, 83 degrees. Some showers around the Minneapolis area, 76 degrees. On the eastern side of the country, looking at temperatures pretty close to 80 everywhere you look. A little warmer in St. Louis, and some showers and thunderstorms over the Florida Peninsula. On the satellite and radar, that moisture we were talking about a couple days ago sitting over the southwest, it has moved to the central portions of the country, helping to ignite thunderstorms there. And some of those are pretty hefty. We've got a pretty good circulation going on there. While out to the west, we're looking at just some very, very widely scattered maybe showers around the Seattle area, nothing on the west coast. And the overall outlook for the central and southern plains is calling for more moisture coming in from Mexico, helping to develop showers and thunderstorms, and hot temperatures will continue across much of Texas, all because the jet stream remains way to the north. As you can see here, no change in place there. A little bit of rain on the east coast, and on the west coast, it continues to remain dry. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather, and tonight we're once again going to Badger Road Elementary School for a question from a young man.
Hi, I'm Lars, and I am Miss Cook's third grade class in Badger Road Elementary School, and this is my weather question. Why is there different colors of lightning, and does that affect the strength of the strike?
Normally lightning bolts are white, but depending on what kind of atmosphere they go through, it depends on the kind of material they won't go through dust or go through rain, that changes the color of the lightning. And of course the distance away also changes the color too. So mainly white, but can be like red and yellow and even some purple color too. And again, tomorrow night we're going to be talking more with Badger Road kids, but also again thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our each night our kids' weather. But actually we're going to be talking with a teacher tomorrow night, and she'll be here to share our weather fact with us and the class. All right, here's your forecast for tomorrow. For the northern sections, rain and snow showers at Barrow, showers in Nome, and flurries expected for Fort Yukon. While here in the interior, we'll be looking at increasing clouds for Fairbanks, a few flurries at Delta Junction, and just partly cloudy skies in Healy. Over the southeastern sections, it looks like showers across the region with temperatures in the low 50s. And out to the southwest, we'll be looking at rain for Cold Bay and Bethel, and mostly cloudy skies for Kodiak. And down around the south central regions, it looks like sunny skies for Anchorage and Homer, mostly sunny skies, but some winds in Valdez. One note to pass along, we do have some weather coming our way for snow, wind, and rain. A strong weather front will bring heavy snow above 3,000 feet. and gusty winds, and periods of rain will be at the lower elevations. Now your forecast for tonight, cloudy and cold with a few flurries possible, 28 degrees. Tomorrow's forecast, 42 degrees, increasing clouds with rain and snow developing by late tomorrow night. And the forecast for 5 days, you see temperatures cooling down on Friday with some rain and snow once again in the forecast. And we're looking at temperatures to cool down over the weekend. Also a possibility of off and on snow shower activity. Right now it doesn't look like it's going to be on the ground, but it will definitely be in the air, that's for sure. And we'll know more about this storm coming in tomorrow night, and we'll tell you about that.
Joe no likes snow, that's for sure.
Just embrace it.
Not this early. All right, thank you, Mike.